Warning, I didn't like this meme. Not for one fucking second. Alright, so all of my jokes about it will almost definitely become overtly hostile for no good reason. If your enjoyment of this meme makes that fact bother you, you need to get over yourself. I don't hate you, or really even the meme, alright? I don't care. But it's a meme, alright? Get a life. Jesus. Wat and Tarnation is a series of memes starting to appear in mid-February of 2017. At least, for me. If you saw them earlier than that, nobody gives a shit. The meme started as a catchphrase of one of the My Little Pony characters because, of course, it fucking did. Nothing would realistically blow up these days like a mild uncertainty about whether or not it exists because of a 4-year-old girl or a 40-year-old pedophile archetype. The meme seems to have started when somebody put character-specific hat onto some derpy brown and white dog that everyone on the internet loves, which in my opinion is exactly when this meme peaked at a resounding, well, I don't hate that dog, directly before plummeting into, shit, you guys are really committing to this. Somebody text me when there's dogs again. This descent seems to have begun with photoshopping the hat onto old-ass political figures, and probably some other people that owned slaves. It then slowly bled into other historical figures, pop culture icons, fictional characters, and finally inanimate objects and symbols. Probably because some clinically depressed 4chan fanboy needed to feel creative and outside the box today. It seems like the only rules lending structure to this meme are that you have to replace Tarnation with a picture-associated word that required zero creative energy whatsoever to come up with. And there seems to be some level of bonus if you can make it not quite rhyme with Tarnation. That way the whole meme overall just seems even more shitty. A more recent development of the meme has been to roll other memes into this one, further demonstrating that Wat and Tarnation is a zero-content waste of time that requires other memes just to make it half as entertaining as other memes, which, depending on how you feel about other memes, is somewhere between mildly insulting or entirely depressing. What really frustrates me about this meme is that it seems to have gone full circle, coming back around to new pictures of dogs wearing hats, which means it was possible for us this whole time to just cut all of the bullshit and be abnormally into pictures of dogs wearing hats for a little while. But I don't care, you know? This meme is gonna die out just like all the others when nobody can contribute something new to this mass collective shitpost, and then a week after that, some late night host will try and reference it to look cool, and it'll backfire hilariously to the glee of all of the Reddit bitches who were never able to write the real jokes that at least some of those hosts did to get those jobs in the first place. Overall, I was so thoroughly unentertained by this meme that I had to Google it just to make sure it wasn't one of those alt-right codes for racist shit, and they didn't even bother to make the disguise marginally funny or clever. I almost hope that by the time this video goes up, it's like all over and these jokes are completely irrelevant. But in closing, I don't like Trash Dove. But this meme makes me miss Trash Dove.